Okay, I just want to quickly show you what plugins that I want you to install. There's two plugins, which is the Traffic Getting SEO plugin and the WP Robot 3. Well, I don't know whether the number will still be the same at the point that you're watching this video, but it's the WP Robot, and you'll have the plugins already sent to you. So it's real simple to add a plugin. Go add new, upload. Click browse, go to the folder where you've got the Traffic Getting SEO or the WPR file. Just click on it and then click open and then click install. I've already done that with this particular site. Next, once you've done that, click on the WP Robot up here and just type in the email. And here's the email, sifu@leejacobs.co.uk, and then click install. So now it's installed and is active as well. So next job on the list is just to fill in the options part. So if I scroll down a little bit, so this is how wrong one. I'll go to another page that has them on as well. For you, you will need to load in the Akismet API key, which is this one here, into the site as well. So to make sure that that's active, so the number is 5D2388DD58DE, and then click auto delete spam and update the options. We scroll down, go to the options on this page so you can see what they are. You'll have these already. You'll have all of the Amazon stuff and the other things like the eBay as well, and so on and so forth, the ClickBank IDs. So you'll have all of these. What we'll do is we'll go through them now. You'll have them in your text file. So first is we want to make sure that which boxes are ticked as well. So real quick, so we want to make sure the images go to the server, we cloak affiliate links, and just refreshing my memory as well, and then randomize post times. So as we scroll down, open links in new window, put that on this one as well, change that one. So if we copy and then just paste them into each next thing is we want to make sure that that we skip products if there's no description or no thumbnail. We want the site to still look nice as well. We're looking for the full description, not just a small amount, so it can stay on there. The website is amazon.com, and I click yes here. So next one, if we look, that's all correct. Then we have ClickBank, eBay ID, we want the best match to make sure that's correct. Then we go down, Yahoo Answers, so I'll do is I'll put these into a file. Do have the spinner. Here we go. put this into the same file as well, which you'll need a bit later. So if we scroll down, okay, so we're here now again. So with we want to enable the best spinner. So here I've put all of the details in. Again, as I said before, I'll be sending you across everything. So all of the fillet IDs will be here as well. I'll put them into this one place. So there you go. So you have them all. So you can just copy and paste. So let's push this down. We should just double check everything as well before we save. The quality of this you want to make sure is on best. Use the best spinner. Scroll up. These ones you don't need to bother about. eBay, ClickBank, full description, Amazon, and there we go. New window. Good, everything is there. Squeeze down, save options. And the options are done. So we'll go over here. We'll come back to this part again. So we're clicking on the traffic getting plugin. So just want to click install, agree, and optimize. Okay, as we scroll down the page, you'll see that this is only at 11.3%, and the instructions are all here as to what we need to do next. So here we have click to install the plugins. So if we click on this to install the plugins, okay, let's move this to a new window so we can do them all. Right, so we're here to install all the plugins. So what we're looking at is, if I just lift this up a little bit so then you can see it. There we go. Right, so I'm just literally going to go right click, new tab, and I'm going to do this with all of them. So let me do that first. Okay, so we've installed all the all 15 of the 17 plugins. Hang on, I should need to do the last ones. Quickly refresh this. This will tell me which ones that I've installed and which ones still need to be installed. Okay, so as you can see here, this is what it will look like before we have to activate them. So let's just quickly install these two as well. Install, success, close. Okay, so if we whiz over by clicking on the inactive, okay, we should have 17 plugins there. Click on here to activate all of them, to highlight all of them, and then we do a bulk activate, and every single one will activate. Cool, so that's done, nice and easy and quick. Good, then what we just need to do is whiz over to the all-in-one SEO, and this site is called the Cool New Digital Cameras. So we need to enable it. We need to have the title. So the home title will be Cool New Digital Cameras. Good, press shift, and then add a little bit there. We need to now find let's go quickly back to find the keywords for this site. Digital cameras, have a look through. Okay, that's good. Okay. So we haven't got any, that's good. Go away, go away. Okay, so we just leave it. God, thought I had some of those. They've not done that yet, which is good. All right. So best off, I think what we do is to make sure that this is done correctly. I'll do this bit. So leave the SEO all-in-one SEO plugin completely empty. I'll just save that one anyway. Just done. And what we do is we'll whiz over to the traffic getting plugin again, and you'll see that this has gone up now from installing the right plugins. Now what we do is we just click on allow tweaks, click OK. This will go up as we scroll down to 95, so it's made some extra tweaks in the background. So we don't need to worry about the post yet. We're going to do that in a second. So what we're going to ignore the keywords. We're going to ignore for now the description. So all we do is you'll get a file which will have the description and the keywords to add in. So you just click on this here, and then we go through to this part here. So extended blog. So here, and then what we do is we'll put a small description in there, and then the keywords in down here. Okay, again, you'll have those in the file that you've got as to which ones to use. To give you an example from a different site that's been done. Actually, let's go. No, we'll do that. Desktop. So an actual site that is has been done would have these. There will be a final list of keywords, and we're looking for the extremely easy ones. But this is the site that the domain name. So this would be one of the keywords, and then we would just use 6 of these keywords. So lose weight very quickly, lose weight very fast. I need to lose weight fast. These are all good keywords that we would use. So those type of ones are the ones that we would put in. To give you another example, let's go back. Look here. So you'll have a file looks something similar to this with all the different keywords that are there, and then what we'll do is we'll put, you've got your keywords here. So we just take 6 of those out, and then what we do is we put those into here, into where it says keywords. Only 6 to 8, no more than that. Okay, let's go here quickly. Alright, so to give you an example, scroll up, and so you can see them. So again, this one does need to have the keywords and description added into it as well. It needs to do some more tweaks on the actual blog. So the best of it. So we're up here. So it needs to have those keywords added in, which will be done. Let's find one that has got them in so you can see. Okay. Alright, hopefully this is not too confusing. It is for me. Right, so once that's done, we'll go over to have another quick. I think we're all done as far as we can without adding those keywords in. Yep. So again, the blog post we're going to do in a second. The description you'll have in the file, and then you've got the 3 to 8 keywords that need to be going. Then we need to look at the Google Analytics. So what we do is we'll go here and quickly go to Google. We'll sign in. You'll have the access details as well to sign into the account. Scroll down, click on Analytics. You'll see here, and you want to click on the bottom one, this one here. And then once we've done this, go over to the right hand side, add new profile, add a domain or add a profile for a new domain. Type in the domain name. So the domain name goes just here. Don't need this bit. Click continue. Make sure you stay signed in so that when we're back up to here, we click here like so, and we want to enable this. Log in, grant access, then choose the account. That's it. And now this is done. And save. Okay, enable. Do it again. Good, so it should all be done on this one now. So we go back, check here. Make sure this is done. Yep, so that's been removed. So we're just looking at now is to adding in the description. Again, as I said before, you need to put that into here. Okay, and then the keywords, they go here. Real simple, and they'll be in your Excel file. So the next thing we need to do is go to the WP robot and set up some campaigns. So create a campaign. Cool. Then all your keywords would go into here. Okay, so your list of keywords that we have for this particular site. So if we look here, so we're just looking for the up to the end of difficult. So we copy those. There will be a bigger list as well depending on the category, and you can add more in as you go on. So just to give an example now, so I put my keywords there. We make categories for those as well, like so. We're looking to have the posts go out for every 6 hours. Come over to the right here, do quick template setup. This will add all the different templates that we want for us. It scrolls down. It does that automatically, so you don't need to fuss about that one. So this has created now 17 different templates that it will rotate between. So again, I put my keywords into here again, and my keywords into here. Okay, I don't need this one, sorry. Okay, if you do get stuck, you just hover over the little question mark and it will tell you what to do. Alright, so we're looking at Amazon. So for this particular one, this will be electronics. Actually, what we'll do is we'll just leave them all departments, eBay all departments as well. That's the easiest way. Author ID, make it as Sifu Lee, and then activate rewriting for this campaign. And it says here where you've got okay, attempt to add feature image. So we need to try and do that bit. So click on yes. So we need to save the images, what we did in the options part. Cool, so it says here create the first post in 0 hours, so that you leave that at 0. Click go, or create campaign. And this is done for the keywords. And that's it. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, then send me a Skype. Right, back again. Just a quick one. I did pause it there and just double checked what I'd gone through. We'll change the post in every 3 hours, not in every 6 hours. Okay. So again, we name the campaign for us as well. So what we're looking at are these all article campaigns. So these are all article campaigns that we're looking at here. So again, we'll change that back. I did that bit wrong, sorry. Change it back to 6. So keep that at 6, load it, check the campaigns. So campaign 1 is the name of it, so we do need to change that so that we know that it's an article campaign. So here we go. Just type article. That's it, done. Scroll down, then just update. And then what we want to do is just go create another campaign. And this one is going to be an Amazon campaign. So same keywords for this one. Categories will be the same too. This will be every every 6 hours as well. And what we're looking at is where it says add another campaign, we want to make this just an Amazon one. Just go through ticking the same boxes, rewrite, author, Sifu Lee. Start posting in 3 hours. Okay, so click on even changes. We want a random, and what we can do is we can just select add 3 to 6 random post templates in there, and this was just going to add in 3 to 6 different templates. We can tick on each one to Amazon one is an article, so and that's it. Scroll down, click save or create campaign. And we have an Amazon campaign as well. So we've got an Amazon one and an article one. The article one should be starting straight away. Already created one post, you can see, and then that next post for that is going to be in 6 hours. So as you see, every 6 hours here, and then the Amazon campaign is due to start in 3 hours time. So that will, another post will come out then, and then we have then another. That will then repeat every 6 hours after that. That's it. Then we're all done. What we want you to do as well is just go into users, just to make sure that the post and click edit, so that all posts are created by the nickname of Sifu Lee, and make sure that that's the nickname. Scroll down and then just click update, and then all done. As I said before, any questions, give us a shout.